Welcome to our channel.
We learn English for international communication.
Listen and practice. About myself. My name is Jane. My name is Jane. My name is Jane. I am 19 years old. I am 19 years old. I am 19 years old. I study in college. I study in college. I study in college. I like to read and write. I like to read and write. I like to read and write. I also like to think and dream. I also like to think and dream. I also like to think and dream. One day, I wish I could travel the world, meet different kinds of people. One day, I wish I could travel the world, meet different kinds of people. One day, I wish I could travel the world, meet different kinds of people. I like to sleep early. I like to sleep early. I like to sleep early. I like to get up late. I like to get up late. I like to get up late. Orange is my favorite fruit. Orange is my favorite fruit. Orange is my favorite fruit. Pizza is my favorite fast food snack. Pizza is my favorite fast food snack. Pizza is my favorite fast food snack. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. It's my hobby. It's my hobby. It's my hobby. I play the piano during my leisure time. I play the piano during my leisure time. I play the piano during my leisure time. It is my favorite hobby. It is my favorite hobby. It is my favorite hobby. I also like talking to people. I also like talking to people. I also like talking to people. But I don't gossip. But I don't gossip. But I don't gossip. I like laughing. I like laughing. I like laughing. I am a good listener. I am a good listener. I am a good listener. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English in middle school. She teaches English in middle school. She teaches English in middle school. My father is an architect. My father is an architect. My father is an architect. He designs new houses. He designs new houses. He designs new houses. I have an older brother and younger sister. I have an older brother and younger sister. I have an older brother and younger sister. We spend a lot of time at home. We spend a lot of time at home. We spend a lot of time at home. We also go to school together. We also go to school together. We also go to school together. My parents are wonderful people. My parents are wonderful people. My parents are wonderful people. They take good care of us. They take good care of us. They take good care of us. Did you understand what you read? Take the practice quiz now. Question 1. How old is Jane? How old is Jane? A. 15 years old. B. 17 years old. C. 19 years old. D. 20 years old. The answer is C. 19 years old. Question 2. What was Jane's wish? A. To play the piano. B. To eat pizza. C. To talk to people. D. To travel the world. The answer is D. To travel the world. Question 3. What is Jane's favorite fruit? A. Apple. B. Orange. C. Banana. D. Grapes. The answer is B. Orange. Question 4. What is Jane's favorite hobby? A. Talking to people. B. Read and write. C. Think and dream. D. Play the piano. The answer is D. Play the piano. Question 5. What does Jane's father do? A. Designs new houses. B. Teaches English. C. Plays the piano. D. Travel the world. The answer is A. Designs new houses. Congratulations! You were awesome!
Thanks for watching the video.